independent watchmaking at its most poetic. That's what Ochs and Junior delivers. And just in time for the season, the brand brings us something truly special, the Day-Night Holiday Edition 2025. Founded in 2006 by Dr. Ludwig Oechslin, Ochs und Junior has built a reputation for blending astronomical complexity with radical simplicity. And this watch is no exception. At first glance, it looks clean, minimal. But look closer, and you'll see it tells far more than just hours and minutes. The upper dial represents day, the lower dial represents night, decorated with a deep blue patina and tiny brass stars. A hammered 24-karat gold sun and a platinum moon move across the sky, showing their position as time passes. This single display reveals sunrise and sunset times, the length of day and night, solar noon, the moon phase, the date, and of course, the hour and minute. All powered by the Ulysses Narden UN 320 automatic caliber, with a unique complication designed by Oechslin himself. The holiday edition comes in a lightweight 40mm grade 5 titanium case, weighing just 61 grams including strap and buckle, rhodium-plated dial, blue superluminova markers, and a choice of Swiss sturgeon or Ecopel calf leather strap complete the package. Each piece arrives in a handmade leather pouch by Sabina Breger and is available exclusively until January 6, 2026. Priced at 11,000 Swiss francs export or 11,891 with VAT, it's an extraordinary mix of science, art, and storytelling. Ochs and Junior's Day-Night Holiday Edition 2025, a watch that captures the poetry of time, both in the sky and on your wrist. Would you wear this cosmic timepiece or keep it as a collector's treasure? Let us know in the comments.